Ano ko ba sabihin? Hindi ko nga ito alam paano sabihin. Stage fright eh.
Water is the source of all life in the universe.
Water is the source of all life in the universe. Water is the source.
Go, Teddy.
Putak nakaslouch. Paano ko ba sasabihin ito? What is the source of all life in the universe?
Yun!
Sit!
Nabidya mo yan!
Hindi.
Tangina. Water is the source of the... Water is the sources of all life in the universe.
Evaporate of water and clouds condense.
Ay, shit.
It creates rain. Evaporate of water and clouds. Blah, 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 blah.
5, 2, 3, go.
5, 2, 3, go. But sometimes, rain can be really poisonous. Gases in the atmosphere, and they absorb.
Ulit.
Cool.
Ulit.
And create acid rain.
Ulit.
But sometimes, rain can be really poisonous. Gases in the atmosphere, and they absorb the cool clouds and create.
Go.
But sometimes, rain can be really poisonous gases in the atmosphere, and they absorb the cool clouds and create. But sometimes, rain can be really poisonous gases in the atmosphere, and they absorb the cool Go na ba?
Go.
Kung pa ako mga gago. Sometimes, rain can be really poisonous gases in the atmosphere, and they absorb in the clouds.
Action.
When fossil fuels are released and
Action.
when fossil fuels are burned to produce electricity, harmful gas. Oh my
Yun.
god. When fossil fuels are burned to produce electricity, harmful gases. When fossil fuels are burned to produce electricity, harmful gases that contain
The pollution. The pollution that causes acid rain can also create. Oh my gosh, napakaingay. The pollution that causes acid rain can also create tiny particles.
Oh my god!
When these particles get when these particles get into the when these particles get into the people's lungs, it can cause respiratory disease.
Water is the
Go, di ko na stop.
water is the what?
Sources of all life in the universe.
Water is the sources of all life in the universe.
Dikit ka nga sa
Chemistry. Water is the
Ulit.
Nakakailang ko yun. Nakakulag. Yo, did you know that acid rain is a problem in certain areas around the world?
Oh yeah, in the United States, the Congress.
Did you know that acid rain is a problem in certain areas around the world?
Oh yeah, in the United States, the
Yo, did you know that acid rain is a problem in certain areas around the world?
Oh yeah, in the United States, the Congress passed a law called
Yo, did you know that... Oh my gosh, tingnan mo. Oh my gosh, magkano?
Ano ba?
Oh, Makati.
This law said that the EPA, Environmental Protection Agency, should start the acid program. The acid This law said that the EPA, This law said that the EPA, Environmental Protection Agency, should start the acid program.
1, 2, 3, go.
Tumingin ka sa
Nakatingin ako pag nakatingin ako, tatawa. Pag di ako nakatingin, naiinis. Ano mo gusto mo?
This law said that the EPA should start the acid program.
Tumatawa na siya.
Visit na yan. Kanina umaga, okay na po.
Sa'yo, kanina umaga rin, ganun ka eh.
Hindi ko.
Pero na yung mas malala.
Sorry, princess. Close. This. Hindi mo ako mas yung tao.
Breaking news. We need breaking news. Acid rain program has made a big difference by reducing the breaking news. Acid rain program has made a big difference by reducing the emissions that cause acid rain. Breaking news. Acid rain program has made a big difference by reducing the emissions that the
But we need your help.
you say that, but yo, did you know that acid rain is a problem in certain areas of the world?
Oh yeah, in the United States.